The story of technology is a story of incredible change. It is a journey from simple tools to complex machines, forever changing how we live and work. Our tale begins with the early computers, massive machines that took up entire rooms. These early computers were nothing like the sleek laptops and smartphones we have today. They were slow, cumbersome, and difficult to use, but they were a sign of things to come. One of the most important figures in the early days of computing was Alan Turing. A brilliant mathematician and codebreaker, Turing helped lay the foundation for modern computer science. His work during World War II, cracking German codes, proved crucial to the Allied victory. After the war, Turing's theoretical work helped shape the future of computing. The development of the transistor in the 1940s marked a turning point. This tiny device could amplify or switch electronic signals, making it possible to build smaller, faster, and more efficient computers. The impact of the transistor on the development of modern electronics cannot be overstated. It paved the way for the integrated circuit, or microchip, which revolutionized electronics and set the stage for the personal computer revolution. The invention of the integrated circuit in the late 1950s was a pivotal moment. This marvel of miniaturization allowed engineers to pack thousands of transistors onto a single chip, making computers smaller and more powerful than ever before. This set the stage for the personal computer revolution, which would bring computing power to homes and offices around the world. The 1970s saw the rise of personal computers, or PCs. Companies like Apple and IBM introduced affordable and user-friendly computers that anyone could use. The arrival of the PC transformed homes and offices. No longer were computers giant machines confined to universities and government laboratories. Now anyone could own a computer and experience the power of computing firsthand. The development of the graphical user interface, or GUI, made computers even easier to use. With icons and windows, users could interact with computers more intuitively. This opened up the world of computing to a much wider audience. No longer was it necessary to be a programmer or a computer expert to use a computer. The late 1990s and early 2000s witnessed the explosive growth of the internet. This global network of computers allowed people to connect and share information like never before. The internet made it possible to access information from anywhere in the world, communicate with people across continents, and share ideas and creations instantly. The rise of mobile phones further revolutionized communication and information access. With smartphones becoming increasingly sophisticated, people had powerful computers in their pockets, constantly connected to the internet. The smartphone became the primary means of communication for many, surpassing traditional phone calls and text messages. The internet has had a profound impact on society. It has transformed the way we communicate, learn, work, and entertain ourselves. The internet has broken down geographical barriers, fostered global collaboration, and democratized access to information. However, it has also presented new challenges such as privacy concerns, the spread of misinformation, and the digital divide. E-commerce emerged as a powerful force, allowing people to shop for goods and services online. Businesses of all sizes established an online presence, reaching customers far beyond their physical locations. Online banking and financial transactions became increasingly common, offering convenience and accessibility. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram connected billions of people worldwide. These platforms became integral parts of many people's lives, allowing them to share their thoughts, experiences, and connect with friends and family. Social media also emerged as a powerful tool for social and political movements, enabling people to organize, share information, and advocate for change. The internet has become an indispensable tool for education. Online courses, educational resources, and research databases have made learning more accessible and convenient. Students can now access a wealth of information from anywhere in the world, connect with educators and peers globally, and learn at their own pace. Today, we stand at the cusp of another technological revolution, driven by artificial intelligence, AI, and virtual reality, VR. AI is already transforming industries from healthcare to finance, automating tasks and making predictions with astonishing accuracy. AI-powered virtual assistants are becoming increasingly sophisticated, capable of understanding natural language and performing complex tasks. Virtual reality is creating immersive experiences that were once the stuff of science fiction. From gaming to education, VR has the potential to revolutionize how we learn, work, and play. In healthcare, VR is being used for training surgeons, treating phobias, and providing therapy to patients with PTSD. The future of technology is full of possibilities. Quantum computing promises to solve problems that are impossible for even the most powerful computers today. Biotechnology is merging with technology to create new medical treatments and enhance human capabilities. Nanotechnology is manipulating materials at the atomic level with the potential to revolutionize manufacturing, energy production, and more. As technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, it is crucial to consider the ethical implications of these advancements. We must ensure that technology is used responsibly and ethically for the benefit of all humankind. The future is shaped by the choices we make today, and it is our responsibility to harness the power of technology to create a brighter future for generations to come.